The Ghanaian rich jollof rice is prepared in so many ways. In today's video, I'm going to share with you this type, and it is the vegetable Ghana jollof rice. It is so good, and trust me, you will love it. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen where I share easy recipes. Please do not make it the last time of visiting. Subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free. So not long ago, I brought you jollof stew recipe. I just don't want us to go back again. So please just count from this video to about 5 videos down and you will see this particular video. Okay, it was in this bowl and then the thumbnail is just this bowl. If not, you can just go through the videos and then pick any jollof stew recipe that you like on the channel so you will not be left out. Okay, yes, because we are not going back to start how to prepare the jollof stew again. I'm just going to share the jollof recipe with you. And also I have my chicken, so we paired the jollof with chicken. Okay, I seasoned it with pepper, ginger, garlic, onion, rosemary and basil with salt and then my chicken seasoning. So this is the jollof stew. Okay, we are just going to check on the chicken and I will get back to you. The chicken is ready, so we are going to remove it from the stock and then allow the stock to drain so that when we are frying it, the place will not be messy. Whilst that is in the colander, we have added our rice to the stew. Don't be deceived that I did not wash my rice. Okay, I always wash my rice. So this is what I did. I washed the rice very well, allowed the rice to stay in the colander so that the water can drain, and after that I added it to the stew so that when I'm toasting it I will not be distracted with the water in there. Do you get it? So just like how our fellow Nigerians, okay, our friends Nigerian friends do it, okay, they wash it, dry it before they proceed with the cooking process. That is exactly what I did. But if you don't want to wash your rice, that is you, but it is always the best to wash your rice. Now I'll go ahead and then fry my meat and then we can proceed. If you've watched me to this point, thank you so much. And if you haven't liked the video yet, can you please like it, share the video to others please, and then leave me your comments in the comment section. And we are on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. If you want the recipe in tree, you can get it on YouTube at Recipe Goddess. Okay, yes, so the chicken is doing very well and the other side is well fried. I will just go ahead and then flip it to the other side. I did not cook the chicken very well. Okay, yes, because we will be frying it. So flip it to the other side so that the other side can also cook very well before we proceed with whatever thing we are doing. Thank you once again for clicking on the video. If you want short detailed videos, we are on Instagram, TikTok, and then our YouTube shorts. Okay, you will love it there. Now the chicken is ready. I'm just going to remove it from the oil and just look at that. So perfect. Let it rest on the paper towel or in the colander. Let's check on the rice. It has been on fire for about 2 minutes and we were still toasting it. Now I will just continue with the toasting for extra 2 minutes before I show you the next step. Just look at that. It looks so good. So I am just going to add my stock to the jollof, okay, or the rice on fire. So I've added my stock and then some small water to it. I'll just give it a stir and then allow it to be on fire for some time. So note this, we are not going to increase the fire very high. Okay, it should be on a lower heat because we don't need fire for our jollof. We just need some heat in there. So allow it to be on fire on a very lower heat. I don't like covering my rice like this at this early stage because it will mess up the place for me when it is boiling. Now when it is like this, that is where I usually cover it. Okay, so after about some few minutes, I'll just go ahead and then flip it so that the one under can come up and then the one that was up will go down so that it will cook perfect. Okay, and remember, the fire shouldn't be very high because we don't need fire, but we need the heat to boil this very well. After stirring it or flipping it, I'll go ahead and then cover it again, and then I'll be checking on it from time to time so that it will not burn. Okay, now welcome back again. We are going to check on our jollof rice once again. Whilst I'm talking to you right now, I have seasoned my green beans with my carrots. I seasoned it with salt and my avocado oil. Okay, so they are resting somewhere. When it is ready for me to add, I'll go ahead and then add it. I added some sardine to the jollof. If you've been here for some time, you know I always add sardine to my jollof rice because it takes it to the next level. Yes, after adding it, I will give it a stir, allow it to penetrate through the rice and then when I am done, I'll just go ahead and then cover it again, wait for some few minutes again, and I will get back. Okay, so after some few minutes again, this is how it looks. I will just go ahead and then add my vegetables, not knowing I had some liquid in there. Can you imagine? I am sure it is from the green beans. Yeah, now give it a stir, and after you are done, I will just go ahead and then cover it again. Have you liked the video? You haven't? Hey, what are you waiting for? Please smash on the like, okay, so that the video can be recommended to others. Now after some few minutes, our jollof rice is ready. Just look at that. My camera wasn't helping me at all, so I waited the next day. Just look at that. Oh my goodness, it was absolutely rich and delicious, just like the one you've been having at the parties. Okay, thank you so much for watching till this point, and please do not forget to like the video, share to others, and take good care of yourself. So we meet again. See you in the next one. Bye bye.